Hey everybody, it's Adam.
And Petri.
Here today to teach you a little bit more about sharing spaces at Carner Blue.
Okay.
Well, sharing spaces is something that we came up with this year because we can't be in person for restorative circles. So sharing spaces is our version of an online, either a Google Meet or a Zoom type of platform where you can get together and you get a chance to listen to each other, respect each other, share each other's ideas, and then take turns.
I'm not good at taking turns.
Oh, it's okay. You can learn how to take turns.
No, I got talked to about it once.
Oh, was that one situation that one bird called you a son of a seagull?
Don't you bring it up. When I do that,
Oh, time out. This is a bad situation. I probably shouldn't have brought that up, but he was called son of a seagull, and because all he was doing was going, mine, 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 and it just led to a big problem. So I got to find a way to fix this right away. Time in.
And now you brought that up, and now I'm furious. Oh, you're getting me so upset that I'm molting.
Okay, calm down here. We got to do something like that. We can calm me down. I got to.
Oh, hey, that's a cracker.
I know.
Do they have crackers in sharing spaces?
You could. We could all eat something virtually and do that, but because we're all on the computer, we won't be able to, do that, share food. But honestly, sharing food is a way to build community and trust with each other, and it does make people feel really comfortable because a lot of people like to eat.
Well, I like to eat.
Well, here you go. Why don't you have that, and you hold on to that. What was that?
I can't talk with food in my mouth.
I'm sorry.
What else about sharing spaces?
Well, the sharing spaces is something that's meant to last about 10 or 15 minutes, and it's something that's pretty brief, but it's meant to be just intentional as a way to listen to each other and to care about each other.
Okay, can I have that back, please?
Of course you can. All right, he's going to have his cracker. I'm going to let you have your time in sharing spaces. Enjoy.